The 2016 Heisman finalists were announced late Monday night with three quarterbacks headlining the list. Clemson signal caller Deshaun Watson and Louisville playmaker Lamar Jackson are the biggest household names on the list. Oklahoma is sending two players to the ceremony, quarterback Baker Mayfield and wide receiver Dede Westbrook. Mayfield has steered the ship for the Sooners all season, while Westbrook has dazzled with explosive plays totaling over 1,400 receiving yards and 17 total touchdowns. Michigan linebacker Jabril Peppers rounds out the five finalists. If selected, he would be just the second primary defensive player to win the award.